Ever feel like every project management job is asking for experience, but no one is giving you the chance to actually get that experience? I get it. It's frustrating. Today, I'm going to break down exactly how you can break into project management without actually having the job title. Let's get started. Now, this is a struggle in so many careers, particularly project management, because we know that the hands-on experience is so highly valued. The companies are asking for it, you're trying to get it, but you're not getting the opportunity. So the key is finding a way to actually break this cycle. How do we do that? Leveraging your transferable skills. So this means skills that you already have from your current job, from university projects, from your secondary school. So for me, I started off doing the Prince 2, but that wasn't enough to break into the industry. I had to leverage my experience as an account manager. I speak to so many PMs and I know the frustration, but the key to solving this is really by you leveraging the transferable skills that you already have. There's a variety of job titles and jobs that you might have where you already actually have the experience and the transferable skills that you need, right, to get into project management. You can be an administrator, right? You're dealing with internal stakeholders. You can be in communications. You're communicating with teams, internal teams, vendors, externally. There can be situations that you're dealing with conflict in the organization and you're having to liaise with different teams, different people. If you're having to keep to strict deadlines because of something that you're working on within your organization, or you're working towards a specific deadline, that's scheduling. Having to organize work for others, that's organizational skills. Communicating with different teams, internally, externally, vendors, clients, customers, whatever it is, that's communication skills. One of the most highly valued skills you can get as a project manager is communication skills. If you're in a meeting, you're a PA, you're taking notes. That's very important as a project manager, to take notes and to be able to communicate these discussions and the end result to your project team. You can really utilize the existing skills that you have. So please do not undervalue or underestimate the skills that you already have. All you have to do is update your CV and bring to life these transferable skills using the correct project management terms. We use these fancy terms in project management, right? But all you have to do is learn them. Stakeholder management is simply dealing with people, communicating with them, managing their expectations, for example. That's stakeholder management. Risk management, for example, is just identifying a problem before it happens. And then we call it risk management. So sometimes these terms can sound so intimidating when really it's just understanding the meaning of these terms and just changing the wording in your CV. It's that simple. So please do not overcomplicate this. Use your current experience to your advantage. The second step is to get the hands-on experience. If no one's giving it to you, you got to go grab it yourself. And what I mean by that is use your current job. You can be in retail. You can be in an admin role. Any job that you have, just find a project to volunteer on. Most organizations have a team of volunteers within the organization who create the company events, or they have company outings. Most companies have like a summer party or a Christmas party. Ask to volunteer and be on the committee. Ask to volunteer and help out with the organizing of this actual project. Even if you don't actually do anything, but you are in the room, you are seeing how things work, you are working collectively with a team. That's coordination. You and the team are coordinating together. You may not be doing all of the doing, but you just being in the room and the skills that you are gaining, write that down. You can still talk about that in these job interviews for these entry-level project management roles. And don't be afraid to contribute your ideas, even if it's just you making a suggestion, even if it's you've spotted something, a problem that could arise, say it. What's the worst that could happen? Look, if nobody is giving you the experience, you have to create it yourself, okay? You can build a portfolio on LinkedIn just by you simply documenting everything you're doing and everything you're working on at that precise moment. Keep it light, keep it informal. Just start sharing what you're doing and how excited you're feeling about it. What's the project goal? What are you aiming for? What are you trying to achieve? Whether it's yourself individually, whether it's a collective group of people within your organization, whatever it is, write down the project goal and share it. I'm working on this project. I'm excited because we're aiming to target so and so amount of people. What's the timings? What's the deliverables? What is it that you're actually having to deliver? Talk about it, get excited about it, and get others excited about it too. Are there any challenges involved in this? What's the current blocker? Who are the people you're working with? What are they like? You can talk about all of these things, right? And you're actually building yourself a portfolio. I love LinkedIn. You can do it on the website, you can do it on the blog, but I think LinkedIn is such a great place to start because this is where other hiring managers and companies are going to be looking for people. And one person likes it, it shows up to their network. Another person likes it, it shows up to their network. And it's just attracting more and more people to view your profile. Number 4, network and learn from others. The right connections can open doors much faster than applying for jobs online. And I say it again, LinkedIn is so valuable. You can join project management groups. There are people that are launching different products of their own, different communities. There are people that are really sharing knowledge and experiences, and they're just like normal people like you and I, those people that have worked in the industry a bit longer who actually want to share their knowledge. They don't want anything in return for it. Connect with those people, follow them, ask them for advice, drop them a DM. A lot of people are willing to help. This is the way you are going to get exposure, okay? You connect with one PM, you follow another PM. They like a job role, it pops up onto your LinkedIn feed page. Start connecting and start talking to people. You got to get out of your shell. You got to start talking to people. Listen, getting into project management isn't about somebody just giving you a job, right? A lot of the time, it is you taking those small steps, those actionable steps to actually showcase your skills. A lot of the time, you already have what it takes. It's just about you stepping out and you putting yourself out there. Utilize those transferable skills because believe me, that's exactly what you need to get into project management. Just draw upon ChatGPT to help you with the terminology if you don't already know it. I hope you found this video valuable. Drop me a comment and let me know what steps are you taking to break into the project management industry, and also let me know what struggles you have faced whilst trying to break into the industry, and let's try and break that together. See you in my next video. Bye bye.